Imagine you've created a video. It doesn't matter whether it was recorded on a mobile phone or generated using AI tools, but when you watch the final output, everything looks lower quality than you expected. The textures are stretched, facial details are missing, and noise is so apparent that it seems scattered across the entire image. This is exactly the kind of problem that most users face in their projects. Many of us have experienced it. When we want to play an important or memorable video, its quality ends up lower than expected, and the original feeling or atmosphere of the video is completely lost. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how, in just 3 simple steps, you can overcome this issue and produce high-quality outputs that truly impress. With Wondershare UniConverter, everything is fast, simple, and easy to understand, even if you have no professional editing skills and your system is not very advanced. UniConverter is an all-in-one tool for video, photo, and audio. With it, you can convert files, compress them, enhance video quality, remove noise, and even use the latest AI tools. What's really impressive is that you can also improve your audio files without spending hours learning complicated tools, making it perfect for anyone who wants professional results quickly and efficiently. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. In this video, our main focus is on the Video Enhancer, a feature that, in the latest version, includes 2 incredibly powerful models that can completely transform the quality of your videos. To get started, simply visit the link in the description to open the Wondershare website. For even faster workflow, you can download the software and install it on your system so everything works smoothly and without any hassle. Once installed, open the program and select the video option from the top menu. This section offers a variety of features, but will focus specifically on Video Enhancer. When you enter this section, you'll see a clean and intuitive workspace where everything is organized and easy to understand. The main page of Video Enhancer is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to explore different sections and choose exactly which parts you want to work with, making it simple for everyone from beginners to professional users. The first and most important feature is video restoration. This tool is designed to restore and enhance the quality of old, mobile, or low-resolution videos. Imagine an old family video or a mobile clip recorded years ago that's full of noise and faded colors. Even archival footage with historical value may have lost some of its details. With video restoration, all of these issues are easily addressed. Visual artifacts are corrected, colors become more vivid and natural, and the overall clarity of the video improves significantly. Every part of the image, whether background or main subject, is enhanced, revealing more details than before. Picture placing the before and after side by side. Blurriness is eliminated, noise is removed, and colors appear clear and lifelike. This feature is perfect for family videos, old archives, mobile clips, and even professional content, allowing users to create attractive and viewable videos in seconds. The second feature is Anime Enhancer. This tool is specifically designed to upgrade the quality of anime and cartoon videos. Many of us have watched old episodes of anime or DVD-era films where the lines are blurry, colors are dull, and character details are hard to see, reducing the overall viewing experience. With Anime Enhancer, the lines and details become sharp and clear, colors are more vibrant, and the original artistic style of the anime is completely preserved. You can even watch an old episode with quality close to 4K without losing the original charm of the animation. Additionally, any visual effects or old textures are improved, producing a polished, professional-looking output. By comparing before and after, you'll notice significant improvements that greatly enhance the viewer's experience. The third feature is Face Enhancer. Many family, mobile, or even security videos do not capture facial details well. Faces appear blurry, eyes and lips lose detail, and skin textures look unnatural. With Face Enhancer, all these issues are resolved. The tool can restore natural skin texture, facial lines, eyes, lips, and even hair, resulting in clear, natural-looking faces with precise details. This feature is excellent for restoring old family videos, mobile portraits, or even security footage. Simply drag and drop your video file, select the model, and click Export to instantly see the before and after result. In no time, you'll have a high-quality video where every facial detail is perfectly visible. The fourth tool is Video Denoiser. This feature is designed to remove noise from videos recorded in low-light conditions or videos that have low quality. Noise can make colors appear dull, textures disappear, and the overall image blurry. With Video Denoiser, all unwanted noise is removed while preserving the true details of the image. The video becomes clearer, more professional, and even background details that were normally invisible become apparent. This tool is suitable for mobile recordings, security cameras, or any video recorded in low light or challenging conditions. With just a few clicks, video quality improves dramatically, and the before and after effect is immediately visible. A new model called Topaz Generative Enhancement version 17.1.0 has been added. This feature is useful when a video has lost its details, especially in facial areas and textures. With just one click, pixels are restored, edges become sharper, and natural texture and image clarity return. This feature is supported by Topaz Labs algorithms and is integrated into UniConverter, so you don't need any additional software or settings. The before and after difference is completely noticeable. The details become clearer, the textures look more precise, and the final output appears much more professional. To make movements smoother and video playback more fluid. For example, videos that appear slow or choppy will become noticeably smoother with frame interpolation. Frame rates can be increased up to 240 frames per second, making movements look natural and fluid, significantly improving the viewing experience. This feature is perfect for mobile videos, AI-generated clips, and even animations. The before and after effect is clearly visible, and viewers can immediately see how much smoother and more professional the video has become. By now, you've seen how Wondershare UniConverter and its Video Enhancer can transform your videos in just 3 simple steps. From old family videos to mobile recordings and AI-generated clips, everything can now be enhanced. Textures are clearer, details are sharper, and noise is eliminated. If you want to always produce high-quality videos and make your projects look professional, try Wondershare UniConverter today. The download link and official website are in the description. See you next time, my digital friend.